Good morning. Bharat, not India. Supreme Court has said that the Supreme Court of India will not intervene in this matter. Rather, said central government to decide on this. We all know that a Delhi-based man has given a petition in Supreme Court to change the name of for renaming Bharat or Hindustan from India, and the petition was heard on 2nd June 2020, and Supreme Court clearly said that India is called Bharat in Constitution, so Supreme Court cannot take any decision on this. Rather, told the petitioner, rather asked the center to treat this right as the petitioner as a representative and decide on this matter. And the simple way we can say that Supreme Court said that Supreme Court will not take any decision on changing of name from India to Bharat or Hindustan. Rather, told the petitioner to go to the respective ministry, and they can take the ministry can take it as a representation of the petitioner, and the ministry or the central government can take the call on it. It is very clear. Now the petitioner said in the court in his petition that the word India is not originated from India. Rather, it is renamed some. It's a rename. It's a Greek. It's a Greek original name. Basically not the word India is not from India. Rather, it's a Greek original name which is called Indica. Means the name of India is not originated from here. Rather, it is a Greek word, or which the original word of it is Indica, which has been said from there. We can say it has been said as India. So whatever it is, the Supreme Court has taken that it is the center which need to take a call on this. This is the same way, same petition was given in the year 2016, and Supreme Court has dismissed the similar manner in 2016 also, where somebody applied in the Supreme Court to change the India's name to Bharat or Bharat. So in 2016 also, the similar way Supreme Court gave the decision. After independence, the name, the Constitution of India has adopted India and Bharat after much debate. During the British time, during the British India, we also know that it was called Hindustan, but some member of this Constitutional Assembly opposed it. But at the end, when B.R. Ambedkar, the person who Dr. Ambedkar, who has drafted the constitution, said that India is in the word India is recognized around the world. So around the world, everybody know the India. So we should retain the word India, and we can call India and Bharat, both are there in a constitution. But right now, as the matter is sensitive, so Supreme Court doesn't want to interfere in this matter. Rather, Supreme Court gave center to take some call on it. Now, as the matter is on center's court, now center needs to take a call. But I feel Narendra Modi government knows very well what decision when to take and when not to take. Right? Because if you see, if Narendra Modi has got the majority, no problem for him to take a decision. But you can see from the Ram Mandir issue, Narendra Modi was asked in 2019 that why don't he make Ram Mandir by forming ordinance or some bringing ordinance and everything. But Narendra Modi focused that no, the Ram Mandir verdict will come from court, then if court said something else, then center can take some call. Otherwise, Narendra Modi focused on quote and quote. In a similar way, if the matter has gone to the government for changing of name from India to Bharat, if the government take a calls on it, do some changes in Article 1 of the Constitution, then the matter will go to the Parliament, debate will take place, then only they can take a step. Then only they will take a step. But at this moment, I believe the country is going through this pandemic. The country is fighting against the rising of virus in India, and at the same time, economic revival is very important. So Narendra Modi government will definitely take a call on this because the Supreme Court has directed the center to take a call on this matter. But the more important right now for the government is to fight against this pandemic. Make the virus fall, because we can see the number of virus infected patients are increasing, and at the same time economic revival is very important than changing the name from India to Bharat. This is my take. But yes, when the court has given direction to the central government will take a call, because Supreme Court has told center to take a call whether to change, whether it would be Bharat or Hindustan or India, because changing of name at this moment I don't think it will take quickly, because Indian government has lot to do and lot to revive plans and lot to work to be done for the Indian government. So right now you can say Supreme Court heard the petitioner on 2nd June. Supreme Court do not want to interfere in this matter. Yes, this matter is sensitive. Center will take a call, but when, what happen, we need to see in coming days. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment, like and share. Thank you very much.